So these customers contacted us because they've had an ongoing basement leak for the last 10 years. Every year they have someone come out to fix the 2 foundation cracks, and every year they reopen. You can see the stair-stepping crack up the wall over here as well as to the left of it. We found out that the basement has been settling. Push piers are 3-inch metal tubes driven into the ground to resistance or bedrock. We will be able to transfer the load of the foundation onto the piers, stabilizing and preventing any future movement of that foundation. Essentially, it's like putting your house on stilts underground. We decided to work with Safe Basements. They have the best piers on the market. We are able to achieve the highest safety rating with them. So in order to determine how much the foundation is settling and from where, we need to first laser measure the entire foundation.
22 1/4. Yep.
Secondly, we need to get all of the items in the basement grouped together and covered with plastic, and any other areas of the basement not being worked on cordoned off so that we don't transfer dust from our work into the rest of the home. We're going to need to break open some small holes against the foundation wall. We'll dig down and get under the foundation wall to cut off the toe of the footer. Three of the piers will be installed from the outside of the foundation. They have a bathroom and closet in the way. It can look a bit scary to the homeowner when we start this work. Rest assured, this is the process that will restore the foundation to its original purpose and strength.
We prep the footing to allow for placement of the bracket. We make sure that the bottom is smooth and the face is smooth, so you're getting a nice contact on all surfaces.
We're now ready to start driving piers.
This would be your 4-foot starter tube, and then the 3-foot reinforcing sleeve. So basically we would attach the A-frame to this bracket, and that ram would hydraulically push this down. And after you get these pushed down, you can just take 1 pin at a time, and you just continue to push them down.
For this job, we're going to be driving about 12 to 14 piers per bracket into the ground. This will reach us a depth of about 50 to 60 feet.
50 feet? 50 feet. So 50? Holy sh!
On the final carry, each of these piers is only going to be carrying 12,000 pounds each, and they're able to carry 34,000.
If you have a perfectly prepped footing, you're not going to be able to bend that pier.
Now with all the piers installed, we're able to finish up the work. With these piers, the house will no longer sink into the ground.
Correct, yeah. We have a guarantee for 25 years that the foundation will not settle.
How long of a drive you guys got going back?
About 8 hours, so it's kind of a haul.
These safe-based piers are really amazing. It's another tool in our chest that allows us to solve a wide range of foundation issues.
Next time it rains, I don't have to run downstairs and start moving stuff around.
That is
And the fan that's continuously running so that
Yes,
we can dry
actually
the
turn
wood.
off the fan, oh my god.
That's awesome.
That's true.